Welcome back to Latest Tech. To unlock any mobile phone that you have forgotten the password, I'll be showing you these codes you can use to unlock any mobile device that you have forgotten the password, be it Android, iOS, etc. Go to emergency and dial this code. The first code you have to dial is star hash 0003 hash. Press the power key and wait for a few seconds for the phone to unlock. The phone is unlocked. Then let me show you the second code you can use to unlock your device in case it locks. Go back to emergency and dial this second code. The second code to dial in order to unlock your locked phone is star hash 0893 hash. You wait for a few seconds before you press the power key. Wait for another few seconds for the device to unlock. Then the third code I'm to show you in order to unlock any device that has been locked, be it iOS, Android, is you have to go to emergency and dial this code star hash 55220 star hash. Please, while dialing this code, don't make any mistake. Follow this process carefully, please. 45 hash. Press the power key and wait for a few seconds. Then the device will unlock. I'll equally show you another code in order to unlock your device if it locks. You need to go back to emergency. Simply dial this code to unlock any phone that has been locked all times to a forgotten password. Dial this code star hash 0028 star hash. Wait for a few seconds before you press the power key. Then wait for a few seconds again before the phone unlocks. Don't forget that while doing this, you need to be very, very careful of this code. And another thing you must know is this code does not work for all mobile phones. That is why I'm giving you many codes. So one of the code will work for you. But don't forget that the most powerful code is this. All thanks to the process I just shown you. This is what I use in unlocking the phone. Because the truth is, in the entire internet, there is no master code. All you have to do is to follow the process I just showed you, and you'll understand that there is no master code on the internet. Don't mind other video creators that created in the past. Don't forget that you can drop any comments that you have or any question you have in this comments section of this video. Like this video, share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Latest Tech. That is very, very important. Check out this channel for more interesting videos. See you in our next video.